Hi there, I'm Talia, your virtual accounting information systems consultant. I'm here to guide you through this case study, supporting you as you take on the role of a professional bookkeeping consultant. This is not just a classroom activity, it's a simulation of what it really means to help a small business owner get their finances under control. And I'll be working right alongside your instructor, Ty Green, who created this experience to help you build true, hands-on confidence. Let me introduce you to your client. Meet Dale Lewis, the founder of New Age Employment Solutions, or NAES. He's based in Atlanta, Georgia, and he started his business on July 1st, 2022, with one mission: to help job seekers build their careers with confidence. Dale runs workshops, rewrites resumes, coaches people for interviews, and he's excellent at it. He's helped hundreds of people find meaningful work. But there's a problem. Dale hasn't been managing the financial side of his business at all. Invoices are piling up, receipts are missing, his income and expenses completely untracked. And now, Dale's realizing that if he doesn't get organized, the business he's so passionate about could face serious setbacks. That's why he turned to cut to the chase bookkeeping, and that's where you come in. As a QuickBooks consultant on the CTTCB team, you're being asked to lead Dale through a full QuickBooks Online setup, from discovery to delivery. Your job is to clean up the mess, build the right financial structure, and give Dale tools he can actually use. And to do that, you'll work through 5 detailed, realistic phases, each one mirroring what real consultants and bookkeepers do when serving clients. Let's take a closer look. Phase 1: Onboarding and Needs Assessment. You'll begin just like you would in the real world, by learning about Dale's business. You'll review his service offerings, uncover what financial records are missing or unclear, and simulate a client interview. One of you will even role-play as Dale to practice asking the right questions. This phase is all about understanding Dale's goals and identifying the gaps that need to be filled before you dive into QuickBooks. Phase 2: QuickBooks Online Setup. Now it's time to configure QuickBooks Online. You'll enter NAES's business details, such as the start date, business structure, and industry. You'll also import a custom chart of accounts, a client list, a vendor list, and the specific services Dale provides. You'll enable features like bank feeds and recurring transactions to make the system efficient and automated. This setup phase is where you lay the foundation for accuracy and clarity. Phase 3: Recording transactions and adjusting entries. Here's where things get technical. You'll take all the financial activity starting in July 2022 and enter it into QuickBooks, categorizing each transaction carefully. Then, you'll record key adjusting entries, including depreciation on office equipment and furniture, usage of workshop supplies, and insurance expense allocations. This is your chance to demonstrate precision and accounting know-how. Phase 4: Generating financial reports. With the books cleaned up and entries finalized, you'll generate 4 essential reports: the adjusted trial balance, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. But you won't just generate them, you'll interpret them. What do the numbers show? Where is NAES spending too much? Is cash flow stable? What insights can you share that Dale can actually use? Phase 5: Simulated client meeting. Finally, you'll simulate a live meeting with Dale Lewis and CTTCB leadership, played by your instructor and classmates. You'll present your setup, explain your findings, and offer clear recommendations for how Dale can maintain strong financial habits moving forward. This is where your consulting skills come to life: communication, professionalism, and the ability to turn numbers into stories that make sense to a non-financial client. What you'll deliver. As part of this project, you'll submit 4 things: your QuickBooks Online setup documentation, the full set of financial reports, an advisory report with insights and next steps, a professional presentation to wrap up your work. Throughout this project, I'll appear in additional videos to help you navigate each phase. I'll share tips, highlight key areas to watch out for, and make sure you're focused on what matters most. Remember, you're not doing this alone. Ty and I are here to support you as you develop the skills real clients are looking for. So, are you ready to help Dale turn his business chaos into financial clarity? This is your chance to step into the role of a professional bookkeeper. Let's get started.